Hi. Oh my god. Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3, hello. Hello, everybody. My name is JM Bruh, and today we're going to be playing Flood Escape. We'll go to Flood Escape. I know how Flood Escape is. So, apparently this game is a horror game. How is this a horror game? How is this a horror game? So, easy has... Can I go to normal? So normal doesn't work. What's down here? What was that? What's down here? What's down here? Okay, well, seems like we gotta go easy. I don't know what this game is about. But all I know is that it's Flood Escape, but evil. So, yeah. Let's get into it, shall we? Oh my god. Box Trot. Now, I'm not good at Flood Escape, as you can see. I'm dead. I just died. I just drowned. I just freaking failed. Okay. Okay. I am not dying on an easy level. Let's do this again, shall we? Alright, let's go. Again. So, Box Trot. What? Okay. I'm a parkour master, guys. I told you, I'm the parkour master. Whoa, what is this? Danger? I don't give a frick. I haven't played the original Flood Escape, so I have no idea what I'm doing. I pressed all the buttons. Oh, there we go. Let me in. Easy, easy, easy. Weaving. I'm weaving and dodging. Okay, press the button. Go up immediately. So where do I go? Okay, so here. I go here. Go here. Oh crap. Oh crap, it's flooding. Story, it's flooding, Story. Fuck! Where does the horror part of this game come in? Because I know this game is a horror game. Okay, so now that I know what to do, should be easy. Oh, wait. Ah, come on! Alright, we're back where we left off, or died. Oof! Here we go. What? What the frick? Bro, what the frick? Alright, I did it. No, Box Trot again. Well, we already did this, so... God. Okay. I'm locked in this time. I'm locked in this time. Don't mind the background music. Don't mind it at all. I did it. I did it. Damn. What's next? What's next, bro? What's next? What? What is that name, huh? Oh, come on. It's at the other side. This is bull crap, bro. You tricked me. What the... Okay, that was tricky. Tricky from Madness Combat. Editor, insert Tricky from Madness Combat. How is this a horror game? This is just Flood Escape. This is just Flood... This is Flood Escape. What do here? No, stop. 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 No, stop. No. Are you serious? Alright, back where we started. You saw that I clicked that. You saw that I clicked that. I'm clicking it, look. What? This game is bull crap, man. I did it. I did it. I did it. Oh. Stream mode. What the actual hell? What the hell? What the hell? A 2 perfect for prying open a pipe cover. So we got a crowbar. I probably have to cut some of this out, so we'll be right back until we figure it out. Where the hell are we? That doesn't work. That doesn't work. What do they mean, a perfect thing to pry open a pipe? Where else would there be a pipe? I can't think. Maybe one of the levels? Ooh, what is this? This type of handles can be dragged via your cursor. What the hell? Let me in. No. Let me in. Oh, I have to turn up my brightness for this. Where am I? Where am I? What is this place? Plans for the FG. It explains how it needs giant intake water oxygen to run. There's also in the map. Is this a pipe? No. I have a crowbar. Interesting. Interesting. We'll go figure this out. What the heck was that later? Oh wait, adventure mode? Before you enter, find a map of the pipes. Look around the building, maybe. No. What was that? I'm actually afraid. I've never been more afraid of a map before. So, pipes. The only one I can think of that has a pipe is this. That's a pipe, right? Yeah, it is. Dude, I've never played a horror game where it actually scares me. Look around of a pipe. Besides that basement, yeah, I don't think there's anywhere else. I'll go try to look around. Right? Actually scared. Oh, the pipe opened. I took off my headphones. Okay, well, guess I'm going into pipes. Took off my headphones. It was too scary. Now what do? Do I just click the pipe? Okay. Depths. Introduction. What the? Look and click around. Only to turn out corners. What is this? Map displays the location of the red dot and buttons you must press with the green dot. I'm gonna put on my headphones now. I don't know if it's working. Is it working? Okay, so I am the red dot. Okay, got it. How do I unequip? Okay. Okay, so I am here. I'm certain that this game isn't made for mobile support. So where do I go now? So I have to go to the green dot. Okay, got it. What? You're here. Viewed it. So I go here. Where am I now? Oh. Takes a while. I have to click the top of it. That's strange, you know. Oh, I think I may have passed it. I don't know. How do I go back? Frick. I did pass it, okay. Turn this way. Okay, we're making progress. This game wasn't built for in-game mobile support. God damn it. Oh, button. Now what do we do? Hand tool onto the objects to interact. Use the map and escape. What, there's gonna be a monster that's gonna chase me or something? Huh, preposterous. Where am I going? God damn it. Go. Okay. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here before the boogeyman finds me. The booger man, something. Yeah, this game definitely wasn't built for mobile. Now where do I go? If I pull up my map, I'm here. So where am I right now? Where am I? What is happening? Am I stuck? What? Can I turn? Okay, good. Can I turn here? Okay, good. Okay, good. As you can see, this game wasn't built for mobile support. How does this map know where I am? Or am I marking it? I haven't spoken this whole video. It's scary as hell. Oh, I did it. Where am I now? Is that it? Now what? Oh, that was just an introductory. Holy moly. Alright, so we should be ready now. Okay. Pipe 1. Okay. Hold right click to turn off your flashlight. Abandoned will only attack those who can see. Oh, it's really, hi. Oh my god. This game might be peak as hell. But I can't do this. It doesn't have console support. Mobile support, I mean. No idea what this creature is about. Or what this creature wants. Maybe it wants my cheeks. Possibly. Maybe that's why it's chasing me. That scared the hell out of me for no fucking reason. I don't think this is vents anymore. Where am I? What? Yeah, guys, I'm not completing this game. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. I may do this game some other day. But I'm not doing this game. Go watch someone else play, because this game is impossible. What the heck? But this game is good. Like the horror element is good. I just wish like the beginning of the game was more a little easier. But yeah, there's nothing really wrong with this game other than the thing I just said. But if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, cause I'm never playing this game until I get a computer. Bye bye.
Life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again, boom.